everyone. My name's Miss Ariel.
And I'm Miss Olivia.
Thank you so much for joining us today for another puppet show. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Today's puppet show is called Trevor's Bath.
La-di-da-di-da. Finally, the tub is ready. Okay, Trevor, it's time for your bath.
Aw, Grandma, I don't want to take a bath.
That's okay. I was talking to the dog. Here, doggy. Here, doggy. Okay, dog. Now your coat is shiny clean. And you smell like a rose. You can go outside and play now. Bark, bark, bark. It's time for your bath.
Oh, I don't want to take a bath, Grandma.
That's okay. I was talking to the cat. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty.
Meow, meow.
Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean. Okay, cat. Now you look like the star of a cat food commercial. And you smell like a breath of fresh air. You can go outside and play now.
Meow. Meow, 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 meow.
It's time for your bath.
I don't want to take a bath.
That's okay. I was talking to the chicken. Here, chicky, chicky, chick. Here, chicky, chicky, chick. Clean, 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 clean. Okay, chicken. Now your feathers sparkle like the sun. And you smell like a field of flowers. You can go outside and play now. It's time for your bath.
No, Grandma, I don't want to take a bath.
That's okay. I was talking to the pig. Sweet, sweet.
Clink, clink.
Clean, 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 clean. Okay, pig. Now you're the cleanest pig ever. And you smell like a, well, you smell fine, dear. You can go outside and play now.
Is it time for my bath yet?
Sure. I'm just refilling the tub for you. There you go. And get in.
Oh, not yet. The tub needs one more thing.
What?
Bubbles!
Okay, I'll go get the bubbles. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, we're all set now. Go on and get in, Trevor.
But the tub needs one more thing.
What now?
My rubber ducky.
Oh, goodness. Here it is, all set. Now go on and get in.
I can't. The tub needs one last thing.
Yes, it does. The tub needs you. Now get in the tub, young man.
Oh, yes, Grandma.
Now the tub finally has everything it needs. Phew! I'm exhausted. I need a nap. Goodbye, boys and girls.